If you're experiencing login issues on Session Talk 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as these can prevent successful login. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Session Talk's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.